What is good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back into another Jacob Crypto Bury video. Today, we're going to look at the best cryptocurrencies to be staking in 2022, the places you can do it, and the different rates that you'll potentially be getting. Did you know the average rich person only works about 20 hours per week? This is because he's got multiple revenue streams and is allocating his resources and money into different streams that will give him an output depending on his input. Just like staking on cryptocurrency, the more input you have, the more you can capitalize your favorite currencies through providing liquidity or a liquidity pair in a staking pool or also a farming pool. So it's really interesting. Crypto today is booming. APE is up, it's booming. Everything is up, it's booming. Green all round. All is go today. So yeah, we can look at staking. So what actually is staking? Well, staking, guys, is first of all, it's the participants pledge their coins to the cryptocurrency protocol. Once this happens, those participants, the protocol choose validators, and this confirms the blocks of transactions. The more coins you basically stake, the more likely you are to be a chosen validator. And as a retail staker, you know, someone like myself, I like to stake some particular coins like Cardano, Phantom. You can actually receive a decent APY. So the first coin is going to be AAVE, guys, $164 right now, rank 59, and we've got some massive updates coming for AAVE, but more on that later. You can see we've corrected from this $650 level, and now we've got the V3 deploying on different mainnets. We've got it on Avalanche, Phantom, and soon to be Ethereum. So with AAVE, for me, it's one of the big projects, and even Mark Cuban loves this particular project. So AAVE Liquidity Protocol, earn interest, borrow assets, and build applications. Well, you can actually stake this AAVE and you can get some yield. And you can do that on the staking on the app of AAVE itself, and you see here the funds in the safety module are 700 million. Total emission per day is 1.1 million AAVE. What you've got here is a staking APR of 7.12%. However, there is a max slashing, so if something does go wrong with the node or something, you could potentially be losing a bit of your capital. But 7% APY is rather good, and it's a solid option if you're wishing to stake your AAVE. It's one of the best platforms to provide collateral and actually provide validation. We've also got the Polygon network, which is a layer 2 solution to Ethereum. Long time ago, it helped scale the Ethereum network. So this means that the network was faster, it could operate more transactions, handle more overload, and really everyone wanted to be Polygon, but Polygon Matic was the first one to do it. So $1.63 we're trading out of an $11.2 billion market cap. You can pick this up in pretty much every exchange as well. So this is Polygon scaling solutions. It's made Ethereum value go up so much. It almost has a Batman and Robin Hood relationship. So you can see here massive amount of transactions, 13,000 delegators, 52,000 plus contract creators. Polygon here on their wallet. If you look at Polygon's web wallet, that's where you'll be able to find all of this staking overviews. And what you'll see is a lot of different nodes here on the left, and you can delegate to them. Just check the commission on the right hand side, and also check what the stake is, how much is actually there. You can see what the top performers are in this particular category, but just make sure you research each one before you do delegate, and make sure there's no slashing fees or penalties for if the worst comes to worst. So do your own research and make sure you're finding a good validator, a good trustworthy node that you have belief in over the long term. And you can also actually stake this on Binance, and depending on the amount of days, so for example a 30-day lock-in will give you a whopping 10.2%. You can see it down here. 60 days is 16%, 90 days is 21%. That's really big, guys. So depends on your lock-in amount, but that's how much you're going to get APY once you've provided that liquidity and you've allocated your crypto there. We've also got Solana. So Solana is one of our really big infrastructure projects. We've got trading at $101 with a 32 billion market cap right now. And when we zoom out, you can see that we've come from quite a way away actually. So we've come from this $259 value, corrected all the way down to $100 over time. And you can use a lot of different tools for Solana to have a look at the inflows and the outflows of every single transaction. Here we've got 65 million transactions on the go with 2.3 transactions per second. Lots of validators, huge growing space, and they're deploying more and more of their branding across the DeFi, NFT, and Web3 projects. If you look at solanabeach.io, you can actually look at everything. You can look at all of the validators across the globe, as you see here, and you can look at the transactions per second. You can look at the circulating supply, the price, absolutely everything you want to read and understand about Solana, you can find it here. You can even look at the recent transactions and follow the money. Very transparent, very, very cool to see. If you click onto the validators, just loading up the validators here, it shows where you can delegate. It shows also the commission and the stake that you can be achieving. So you can actually earn APY here, just chilling and allowing this passive income. The nominal staking APY is 6.86% right there. So of course, you know, if you put $1,000, do the maths, it's quite a nice return. You can also actually lock this in on Binance too. 30-day period, you're going to get a 9% return, 60 days, 11%, 90 days, 13.2%. Pretty bullish on Solana overall. And I think, to be honest, Binance is a really good option. Probably other exchanges like eToro or Coinbase are offering, you know, APY, but I think Binance is very generous right now because we're in a downtrend. Those APYs are slightly higher as more people have withdrawn their liquidations and actually taking away their capital. Cardano's next. ADA is really one of the big blue chips in the whole crypto space, ranked 7, $37.3 billion. And yeah, I think this has still got massive potential. We were $3 just in September last year, and it just seems like it was around the corner when that happened. Cardano at the moment has had a huge protocol update, and also Coinbase have launched some very big news. So Cardano, making the world work better for all. Cardano is a blockchain for change makers, innovators, and visionaries with the tools, technologies to create possible for the many. So it's a proof of a stake blockchain platform, as we can see over here, and it's really cool. Cardano exists to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins, to individuals, and to be an enabling force for positive change and progress. Really big proof of stake, and it's a massive competitor to Ethereum. So lots of people are wondering if this would ever flip Ethereum. It still could possibly happen. We just, we don't really know. So you can delegate your stake to build the network, earn rewards, and become part of the journey. If you look at the staking here, ADA held on the Cardano network represents stake in the network, with the size of the stake proportional to the amount of the ADA held. The ability to delegate or pledge a stake is fundamental to how Cardano works. So there'll be different staking pools that will give you different APYs. And that's also quite crucial that you do your own research on those pools, the nodes, and make sure that everything is safe and there's no slashing fees there. You can also actually, massive breaking news today, guys. This is probably why Cardano pumped today. You're probably very aware. Coinbase are actually looking to introduce more ways for their customers to have long-term gains and passive income from staking cryptocurrency. And just literally 5 hours ago, this was released here on the Coinbase website. And here you go. With Coinbase staking, you can begin earning rewards on your crypto. The current estimated annual return for Cardano staking is 3.75% APY. So I'm probably going to go ahead and do that, to be honest. What else do we have? Oh yeah, you can also stake ADA on, this is what I find crazy. Binance is offering such a better rate at the moment, 7%. 8% and also 10% there, and you've only got to lock that in for 90 days. So if you did that through the bear phase, not only are you capitalizing more cryptocurrency, but you're also allowing yourself to maximize the upside whilst accumulating in the bear phase at the same time. The last project we will take a look at right now is Phantom, one of my favorites as well. Phantom is a layer 1 blockchain protocol and is another infrastructure, really scalable, one of the most efficient protocols, and it's a smart contract platform. So this is Phantom. You've probably heard of it before. They've got quite a lot of total value locked as well, and I was going to choose Harmony 1 over this, but I think Phantom is a great project. Massive gains over the last 2 years for Phantom. We can see we're just sitting at 3.3 billion market cap with a $1.33 price, and if we zoom out, we've come down from around $3 if I recall correctly. Yeah, about $3, $3.29. So we've come down, corrected, and we're in another lull, which does probably mean that there are big APY rewards available. For me, I would probably go to the website of Phantom to actually stake, and I think that's the safest place to do it. We can see here, stake Phantom, earn rewards, and the more Phantom that you stake, of course, the more that you'll get in reward. So let's say just a small person like myself wanted to stake 2,000 Phantom, which would be around maybe $3,000 at the current market value. If you want to lock it in for just 39 days, the APR will be affected. The longer you lock it in for, the larger the APR, meaning you'll earn more Phantom. So my conclusion is really that all of these different staking opportunities will help you capitalize your favorite cryptocurrencies in the long term and also raise the floor price of them during liquidations or bear phases. The more people that basically provide liquidity, the more rewards we'll be getting over time. So it's really, really cool to see. And you can see, choose a validator, select the validator, stake as you go for a 4% APY, or lock up your FTM for a minimum of 2 weeks up to a year to earn higher staking rewards. Max lock right there, 13%. Big passive rewards if you can handle holding something for that long. Earning rewards is really, really easy on the Phantom wallet. You just literally go to wallet.phantom.network, you connect your wallet, create a wallet or restore wallet, and here you'll get a list of all the staking opportunities. So I really hope you enjoyed this video today on the staking side of things. We've not looked at this before, but I thought it'd be really good to highlight the opportunities out there and some of the best platforms that you can benefit from in current time. If you are new to this channel, do smash that subscribe button, guys. Make sure you hop into the Discord as well. That'd be absolutely fantastic. Lots of like-minded people there. And huge thanks to the patrons as well. Supporting patrons, appreciate the support. If you want to be a patron, price of a coffee every month, you'll get some exclusive benefits there. You can also benefit from the Crypto Calls channel right here. They like to call long and short positions, and you can see their success rate is pretty high. And I've had a bit of fun with this one on my fun money portfolio. Currently, I think I'm 9 to 13 in success. So really like a 75 to 80% success rate. Pretty good. So make sure you join that. I'll leave a link in the description for you to all of those things. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye for now.